An awesome morning, kids. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. Myself Pragya from Shivjyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, in the previous class, we revised capital and small cursive letter E and F. And now today, we will revise capital and small cursive letters G and H. But before start writing, we will revise these two letters with the help of tool. This is letter G. Capital letter G. G for girl. Small letter G. G for glass. Capital cursive letter G. G for grapes. And small cursive letter G. G for giraffe. Our next letter is letter H. Capital letter H. H for hen. Small letter H. H for horse. Capital cursive letter H. H for hut. And small cursive letter H. H for hat. So now we will write these two letters here. So open your graphical book and mention the date and class work. So as you can see, which picture is this? This is a grass. Which picture is this? This is grass. G for grass. So here we have a 4 line. Put the pencil on the 3rd line and draw a long loop. Touch the first line, turn, moving down, touch the 3rd line, draw curve, again up, touch the 2nd line and moving down towards the 4th line and draw a small loop. This is capital letter G. Capital cursive G. Now small cursive G. Put the pencil on the 3rd line, draw slanting line, touch the first line, again curve, moving up, touch the first line, 2nd line, moving down towards the 4th line and draw a small loop. This is small cursive letter G. Now again we will draw capital cursive G. Put the pencil on the 3rd line, draw a long loop, touch the 3rd line, moving up, touch the 2nd line, down towards the 4th line and draw a small loop. Capital cursive G. Small cursive G. Put the pencil on the 3rd line, draw slanting line, touch the 2nd line, curve, moving up, touch the 2nd line, down towards the 4th line, touch and draw a small loop. This is small cursive letter G. Now we will move to our next letter, capital cursive H. So put the pencil on the 2nd line and draw a slanting line. Now standing line, moving down towards the 3rd line and turn. Again we will draw one more standing line like this, moving up with the same line, turn, touch the 2nd line and draw curve and out. Capital cursive H. Now small cursive H. Put the pencil on the 3rd line, draw a long loop, moving down, touch the 3rd line, again up with the same line, turn, touch the 2nd line, now standing line and turn. This is small cursive letter H. Again we will write. Again put the pencil on the 2nd line, draw slanting line, touch the first line, standing line, touch the 3rd line and turn. One more standing line, touch the 3rd line, moving up with the same line, turn, touch the 2nd line and draw curve and out. Capital cursive H. small cursive H. Put the pencil on the third line. Draw a long loop. Touch the first line. Now moving down. Touch the third line. Again up with the same line. Turn. Touch the second line. Standing line and turn. This is small cursive H. So kids, as we did here, capital and small cursive letter G and H, you will also do the writing practice in your Graphical book. This is your Graphical book. So open the page number 21. Complete the capital cursive G till the page number 27 in a very beautiful handwriting, and don't forget to mention the date and class work. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.